Hello friends, welcome back to the Python exercise series. In this lesson, we are going to write down a program which prints first n natural numbers in a reverse order. Suppose n represents 10, then first 10 natural numbers will be 1, 2, 3 till 10. Now we have to print these numbers in the reverse order. So the reverse order will be 10, 9, 8, 7 till 1. So how we will achieve this result? We will be using the range function inside the for loop, and we'll mention that the start position is n. The n position is going to be 0. Why 0? Because it is going to be the upper limit. So the start position will be 10 in this case, and because we have got 0 as the upper limit, therefore it will return us the numbers till 1. And we will also describe -1 step size. Why -1 step size? Because we are now moving in the opposite direction. If we were supposed to print numbers starting from 1 to 10, the step position will be 1 in the positive direction, but in this case we are moving towards the negative direction, therefore the step size will be -1. Now let us use this logic in our program to solve the problem. So we will ask user to input the number, the value of n, and once the input is given, we will typecast it to the integer form. The input value will be typecast to integer, and then we will start writing the logic. So we will say that for n in range n to 0 with negative size of 1. So -1 describes over here the step size, and will print the value of n which we have obtained from the range. So this is an iterator. For loop will extract every individual value which range returns us to n, and we will receive this value and will print inside the print function, and will also change the value of int to comma and space, so that we should print all the numbers in the same row. And now I'm going to describe the value of n as 10. So it started from 10 till 1. If you want to re-execute it with different values, suppose 15, so it will print numbers in the revert direction starting from 15 till 1. So we have got first 15 natural numbers in the reverse order. You may be asked to create a list which contains the first n natural numbers in the reverse order. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it in the new cell. Now I'm going to create a list, reverse list, which is going to be empty initially, and in here what we will do is we will append every value of n inside the list. So we will say that append the value of n inside the reverse list. So once we are done, we can print this list. We can say that the list of first n natural numbers in the reverse order is reverse list. So if you will enter the value of n as 10, so it is going to contain every number starting from 1 to 10, but in the reverse order. You can also add the print statement over here to describe that here we have got the list of first 10 natural numbers in the reverse order.